Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to customize buttons on the PUBG Mobile application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application and click on this button in the right side corner of the screen down below, and then click on settings at the top. Tap on customize buttons in the left side column, which is the fourth option. Here you can set character at the top, where you can select from 3 options. Tap on the customize button down below to set it. Here you can see it, so you can move these buttons within the screen and replace them. Tap on save at the top. And as you go back, you can also set the same for vehicles. So in terms of button controls, single joystick or split joystick, here you can set them. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.